If you're looking for a book to read, this is a really easy way to access books 24/7. It's with Sora. It's our reading app that connects us to our Overdrive ebook and digital audiobook collection for the school district. If you do not see this on your ClassLink page, you can add it from the app library to your page for easy access. If you need help with that, just let me know. So go ahead and click on Sora. Then it's going to ask you to select your school. Click the green button. And then it's going to ask you to log in with your school login. Click Submit. And we are in our Overdrive District collection. So this is the home page of the Overdrive, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to check out a book. Now, two things you need to know. If you see the headphones by the book, that's telling you that it is a digital audiobook. If you just see the book cover, that is an ebook that you will read. So, I'm just going to take a look at a book. I'm getting ready for Battle of the Books at the high school level, so I'm going to take a look at Dig. It'll give you a description of what the book is about, and if that interests you, then go ahead and click Borrow. And here is the book for you to read. It's so cool. And to turn pages and things, okay, you just click, okay? There's a lot of different things here that you can do. That you've got pancakes up here that lets you know you can bookmark. Reading settings might come in handy. You can change it to high contrast. It also has a dyslexic font if you should need that. So you can just play around with it. It's really easy to use. Okay. I'm going to close this book just so I can show you something else. Down here at the bottom, when you go to shelf, that's going to let you know everything that you've got checked out. Okay, so right now I've got a couple of books here, and I'm looking up here also. I see I have a notification that my hold is ready, so on this book, and so I will check that out later. But at the top here, you also have some things to take a look at. If you have holds, which that was reminding me, I have one more day to check that one out. Okay, I'm just going to borrow it right now because then I got it. Okay, I don't want to listen to it right now. Okay, but it also gives you, you can have a list of book titles just to remind you what you're interested in reading. Or what also is really cool is it gives you a history of things that you've read. So I think that's really neat. And then up here, up at the pancakes, especially here, if you click on your little icon up there, it gives you reading achievements that you can win, little badges. And so if you're into that, they'll automatically, as you read, automatically let you know where you're at. Okay. And if you want to sign out, the sign out is there. And so I'm going to go back to my shelf, and I'm going to show you how to return a book. So if we take a look here and click on the cover, two things. If you haven't finished your book and you need to renew it, this is where you can do it. And you'll always see how many days you have left to read it. So if you're going to renew it, wait until you're like down to 1 day and then renew it, because then you'll get a longer period with it. If you finish the book early, you can also return it. I'm just going to do that now so that you can see how that works. You click on Return, and it is off your shelf. And so those are just some of the features. There's other things you can do with this, but that's basically what Overdrive is. And so if you have any questions about Overdrive, just let me know, and sign out, and happy reading.